We take thousands of decisions every day. Most of them are based on gut feeling and experience. But the greater the impact of a decision, the more we tend to get some data first. Of course you have calculated the ROI before we purchase a large format 3D printer, because instinctively we all know data is king. The better the data, the more reliable and better our decisions are going to get. So, what keeps us from basing more of our decisions on data? In everyday life, the answer is simple. Data is just not there all the time. When going grocery shopping, I can't decide which of 2 apples I should buy based on objective data about their quality. I have to rely on gut feeling and experience. In 3D printing, this is different. 3D printers are by nature digital machines, equipped with a lot of sensors to provide all the data we need to make good, reliable decisions. At least for all the decisions we make during working with the printers, not the grocery shopping. All that's needed now is accessibility to that data and the reduction of the sheer amount to what you need to know to make the best decision. This is where BigRep CONNECT comes into play. Hi everybody, my name is Schierbaum and I'm the Software Product Manager here at BigRep. Today I will walk you through our new cloud-based platform to connect you to your BigRep printers. Let's have a look at it together. Let's start with the printer overview. Having an overview over all your printer status from anywhere in the world lets you plan accordingly. For example, check when a print will be finished. Since all you need is a browser and internet access, you can do it from anywhere in the world, anytime. And who of us does not have their smartphones with them all the time? Now let's look at the printer's details. The ability to monitor your printer's data, including status, print progress, settings and also sensor data on a centralized cloud platform reduces the necessity of gut feeling for taking measures. It lets you react fast. For example, if a print is just finished and you want to start the next one as soon as possible, helping you reducing downtime or delays in production. The ability to upload new print jobs over the air and assign them to idle printers allows centralized production planning with distributed manufacturing. After each print, you will get an automated print report, which you can find in your job history. From there, you can see printing times, amount of filament used and more. And you can also leave feedback for each job. BigRep CONNECT also comes with pre-designed data dashboard. Let's dive into it. You can see printing hours, the total amount of jobs, the average printing time of your prints, as well as the success ratio of your fleet. The development of your printer and material utilization over the last year. For example, you can use this data to optimize your material stock. BigRep CONNECT also comes with an integrated team management tool, where you can create unlimited new accounts for your team. On top of the role-based access control, the administrator manages user authorization to see printer data. You can also enable temporary data sharing with our customer support. By doing so, we can use printer status and settings data to give you the best maintenance recommendations. We at BigRep place a high value on data security. User authentication at Connect is secured with a 2-factor login. All communication from the printers to Connect cloud services is secured by TLS encryption and OAuth authentication methods. By design, all communication between printer and Connect is initiated by the printers, only after a printer is paired. For security reasons, there's no way to communicate with the printers from outside. So the connection of your printers to BigRep CONNECT should follow the rules of most companies' firewall settings. And to prevent loss of confidential information, print files are never transferred from the printers to Connect. This is obviously just the beginning. Anonymous data collection allows us at BigRep to identify patterns and create algorithms. Those algorithms can help us, for example, avoid involving our customer support in the future and automatically give you the best recommendation based on data. There are even more features coming soon. For example, accessing the live webcam streams from your BigRep printer within Connect will make fleet monitoring even more powerful. Who doesn't like time-lapses of 3D printing parts? Well, you will be able to create them automatically. Also, preventive maintenance plans and notifications will reduce unnecessary downtime of your machines. To conclude, with BigRep CONNECT, we are opening the door to the world of machine learning-based printer optimization, to what we think is the future of FFF, because data is king. Oh, forgot one thing, it'll be free.